Hello, and welcome back to our series TOEFL versus IELTS on English Mastery Hub. Today is the first of a two-part series on the writing section of both exams. For today, I want to focus on the TOEFL exam, and in the next podcast, we will deal with the IELTS writing exam. The TOEFL writing section is 30 minutes long and it is divided into two sections. The first section is an integrated writing task. By that I mean you get 3 minutes to read a text and then you listen once and once only to a lecture, and thereafter you have to answer a question relating what you heard in the lecture to what you read in the text. You need to write 150 to 225 words, and you have 20 minutes to read and go over what you have written and correct any mistakes. You need to divide your essay into 4 sections. An introduction in which you introduce the topic of both the text and the lecture and say whether they agree or disagree with each other. And then you have 3 paragraphs where you deal with the 3 points made in the text and expand on the examples or the point of view given about those points in the lecture. Your last paragraph is optional. You can write a conclusion or a summary, and as I say, that is optional. Another important point is that you include linking words or conjunctions. These are extremely important as they give structure and form to your writing and make your writing flow, which is the goal in any good literature piece. So it is marked by whether you've been able to determine the correct points and whether you use the correct grammar, a mixture of simple and complex sentences, and whether your writing flows. So that's 20 minutes. The second task you have 10 minutes to do, and it is called writing for an academic discussion. Now, if you've ever taken part in a debate, this is similar to an online debate. You will have 10 minutes to read and write. The lecturer or professor will pose a question. You will get the opinion of 2 other people, and it is up to you to contribute to the discussion. That is the most important thing. Put in some unique ideas, give your opinions, contribute to the discussion. If you run out of ideas, you can say whether you agree or disagree with the 2 other points of view and why. So that's all to do with TOEFL writing. As I said, 30 minutes, 2 tasks. Good luck. Thank you for now. Bye-bye.